So today I want to talk about one of the key principles that I believe all of you guys need to learn immediately if you want to get filthy rich. So no bullshit, no fancy cars, no watches, no dream that I'm going to sell you. I'm just going to tell you exactly what it fucking takes to go out and make a lot of money. And I think this is one of the hardest principles to learn, but if you learn it, it's also one of the most important principles out there for you as an entrepreneur. And the principle is very simple. It comes down to this idea that success is always going to take longer than you expect it to. So instead of going into it and expecting yourself to become a millionaire in 12 months or even in 30 days because you watched a YouTube video, you should go in with the expectations that it will take 5 to 10 years minimum, if not more. And I think if you go in with that mindset, then it makes it a lot easier to show up every single day knowing exactly what you've signed up for. I think a lot of the times we get let down because we have a false expectation for the things that we commit to. So you're like, oh, I watched this YouTube video from some guru showing you the lifestyle. I'm gonna get rich within a year. And while that can happen, there are some people where that happened, but that's the anomaly. That's not the rule, that's the exception. What happens is then you go in thinking, oh my God, it's gonna take me 30 days, it's gonna take me a year, it's gonna take me such little time, and then it takes longer, and then you feel like shit. And then you're like, why do I even want to do this? Whereas if you tell yourself this is going to take 10 to 20 years, then you know what you're signing up for. You're like, well, it's only year one, so we got a lot more time coming. And I think that even if it takes less, you guys should lie to yourselves and be like, it's going to take longer. Now, here's where it gets really tricky. You need to act as if it's going to take you 30 days. You need to act as if you grind for the next 30, 60, 90 days, you will get rich. You need to bring that level of intensity, but you need to do it for a long period of time, aka 5, 10, 20 years. So the key really is, how do you trick your mind into signing up for something really fucking hard and then showing up with full intensity, full commitment every single day, nonstop for years and years and years. And I think that this is why I believe, this is going to be a weird take, but I believe every successful entrepreneur is a little fucked up in the head, is a little crazy. Everyone that you guys look up to that's successful is a little crazy. There's no doubt about it, because you're literally committing to torture for years. And you have to show up every single day excited with this relentless commitment to solving each and every problem, knowing that one day it will click. So that's the principle I wanted to teach you guys today. Like, it's going to take longer than you think. So sign up for a long journey, knowing what you're signing up for, and then work as if you're going to actually get rich in 30, 60, 90 days. So you're going to sprint. And lastly, be a little fucking crazy. Like, you have to be a little mental to do this. You have to literally be like, okay, I'm gonna go and show up and we're gonna figure it out, 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 we're gonna figure it out. You have to show up with that mindset every single day when you're getting punched in the face, when it's really, really hard, when your back's against the wall, when you're tired, when you don't want to do this, when you're questioning yourself, when you're afraid. So invite that little bit of crazy, know what you're signing up for, and act as if you're gonna get there very, very fast. So